Hey guys, I saw that in class today. It was kind of difficult for everybody to be on the same page about what was going on, so I decided to come home and make a small video to help y'all out. First thing I'm going to do is edit this column real quick, make it a little bigger, and then he showed us in class that we needed to change the size of these rows right here. So what you're going to want to do is highlight them all the way across, go to Format, Column Width, and I found that a good width that works for me is 3.29. You can obviously use other sizes if you want, just a suggestion. Then another thing he wanted us to do was to change the orientation of the text in these columns. So you're going to go to Format Cells, Alignment, and change that to 90 degrees. Next thing he wanted us to do was to put in a series of dates. So we'll try from September 22nd of '09, and oops, still needs a little bit more. And we're gonna go ahead and change the way that date is outputted, make that a little neater. And then he wanted us to make this series right here. So we're gonna highlight all the rows and go up to where it says Fill, Series. We want rows, date, and day. And then we want to come down here to where it says step value, and we want it to increase by 7 because we're doing it for weeks. And then hit OK, and it fills out across. The next step he wanted us to do was make this a landscape. So go to Page Layout, Orientation, and make it a landscape. And as you see, it added our border for the page. The next step we had to do was to insert a header. So we want to go to Insert, Header, and over here he wanted us to put our full name. Oops. And then he wanted us to put the page and the page number. And as you can see, we got my first and last name and the page number if you want to check that out. Here's your print preview of what you're going to see. And next we're going to add borders. So go to, or highlight all of them from top left to top right, Format Cells, go to Border, and he wanted this fine line. And once you get all the ones you need, hit OK. And as you can see, it's given us borders around our table. Next thing, we're going to start adding values to this column. So and then we're just going to So as you can see, we've got all that, and then you want to say how long it's going to take for one of your financial goals. You highlight the columns that it's going to go through, and come down to, oh, I'm sorry, you just want to fill those with a color. We'll just stick with some gray. And maybe your next one's going to take that long. You can just, whatever it is. So there you have it. That's basically all he wanted us to have done. I hope this helped you guys. I'll see you guys in class.